In the previous section, we looked at how AI tracks money, digital numbers moving through networks at the speed of light. But the bulk of the global economy is heavy, and it is entirely physical. We're talking about tangible products, sprawling warehouses, miles of asphalt, and massive tracts of farmland. Unlike digital data, physical systems are constrained by gravity, distance, and weather. They are inherently slower and highly vulnerable to disruption. To make this heavy economy efficient, businesses rely on two specific AI abilities. The first is prediction, estimating what will happen next. The second is perception, using cameras and sensors to make sense of real-world conditions. This is Section 3 of AI across industries, making and moving things. We are going to look at how these two abilities operate across four major physical domains: retail, the supply chain, the factory floor, and the high-tech farm. We will trace a product's journey backward, from the store shelf to the soil, to see how prediction and perception resolve the biggest bottlenecks in the physical world. Every retailer faces the exact same problem: order too little and shelves go empty. Order too much and unsold inventory piles up in the back room, wasting money. To strike a perfect balance, retailers use demand forecasting. This is the application of AI to predict future sales, ensuring a business stocks the right amount of a product in the right place at precisely the right time. Modern forecasting models integrate diverse data streams: weather patterns, upcoming holidays, local events, and social media buzz, to estimate exactly how many umbrellas or jackets a specific store will sell next Tuesday. Once the inventory is in place, AI manages the cost through dynamic pricing. This is the automated adjustment of a price based on predicted demand, timing, and available supply, like a rideshare fare increasing during a rainstorm. This predictive engine also powers the Recommended for You row on shopping sites. By analyzing what you and shoppers like you have viewed or purchased in the past, the system estimates what you are most likely to buy next. In retail, AI serves as a predictive shield. It minimizes empty shelves, reduces wasted surplus, and aligns supply with what consumers actually want. Getting those goods to the store or to your front door requires a supply chain. Supply chain management is the orchestration of a product's entire journey, from raw materials to the final customer. At a macro level, AI models analyze this map to dictate exactly which regional warehouses should hold specific inventory. If a storm hits, the system can dynamically reroute delivery trucks around the disruption to keep the chain moving. Inside the fulfillment center, perception takes over. Cameras and sensors allow robotic platforms to autonomously navigate the warehouse floor, avoiding collisions as they carry vertical shelves of inventory directly to human workers. It is a highly efficient division of labor. The robots manage the spatial routing and heavy lifting, while human workers handle the delicate tasks of picking the correct item, packing the box, and managing exceptions. This is why order today, get it tomorrow actually works. Prediction moves the inventory to a regional warehouse before the order is even placed, while robotics retrieve and pack the item the moment the customer clicks buy. Supply chains operate at this massive scale and speed because AI optimizes the long-haul routes across the country and the micro-movements across the warehouse floor. Before a product ever enters the supply chain, it has to be built. And on a factory floor, a sudden machine breakdown can stall the entire production line, costing a company thousands of dollars an hour. To prevent this, manufacturers use predictive maintenance. By analyzing continuous sensor data for temperature, sound, and pressure, the system flags failing equipment so it can be fixed during scheduled downtime, well before a catastrophic failure occurs. Behind the algorithm, this works by training AI on what a healthy machine sounds and feels like. Once it establishes a normal baseline, it constantly monitors the equipment, triggering an alert the moment a vibration or temperature reading begins to drift away from normal. This is the exact same underlying mechanism used to catch credit card fraud. The AI learns a baseline pattern of normal behavior and raises a flag when anomalous data breaks that pattern. AI also applies perception to the items being built. High-speed cameras monitor the production line, instantly spotting missing screws, cracked casings, or microscopic surface defects that a human eye might miss. On the modern factory floor, AI turns expensive surprise emergencies into routine maintenance, and automates a nearly flawless system for quality control. At the very start of the physical economy is the raw material, particularly the food we grow. Farming is one of human civilization's oldest industries, but today it is driven by data. This approach is called precision agriculture. Instead of treating a massive field with a single, uniform strategy, technology allows farmers to manage their land by small zones, or even individual plants. Drones and satellites rely on AI perception to analyze the fields from above, spotting crop stress, disease, and dry patches early, long before the damage is visible to a farmer on the ground. Down in the dirt, smart sprayers use visual perception to distinguish between a valuable crop and a harmful weed, hitting only the weed with a precise burst of chemical, leaving the surrounding plants untouched. When you combine this detailed visual data with soil and weather sensors, AI can generate highly accurate yield predictions. This lets farmers estimate exactly how much food a field will produce, helping them plan their harvests and secure sales months in advance. Precision agriculture takes the guesswork out of farming. By merging prediction and perception, farmers can grow significantly more food while consuming less water, less fuel, and fewer chemicals. We've traced the physical economy from the store display all the way back to the soil. In retail, demand forecasting and dynamic pricing predict exactly what consumers will need and what it should cost. Across the supply chain, advanced routing logic and robotic perception move those products globally and locally with relentless speed. Inside the factory, predictive maintenance keeps the assembly lines running, and automated inspection catches every flaw. And on the farm, AI applies these exact same abilities to achieve the hyper-efficiency of precision agriculture. In the physical economy, artificial intelligence is the power of prediction and perception reaching out of the computer and into the real world, optimizing how everything around us is made, moved, and managed.